What is up, YouTube? It is your boy E2 Blair, and we're back at it with another video for you guys. You can't see because this truck's in the way, but we're at Richmond Barber Supply, the best barber supply in the Bay. If you're in the Bay Area, go tap in with them. We're about to go and get a little quick surprise for y'all right quick. Gonna do, you'll see when we come back. So we're gonna get in here, get the thing we need for the video, and then we are going to, I'm gonna see y'all right in like a quick second because I'm about to get this stuff right now. But further ado, I'll see y'all when I'm right back here with the goodies. Peace. All right, y'all, we are back. We have the thing right here, but it was supposed to be something else, but they didn't have it. So we seen something else that we wanted, that I also wanted, but I was talking about getting later. But like, fuck it, they didn't have this one, so I'm just gonna get this one. And yeah, I don't get why nobody talks about this clipper enough, but I don't know. I'm gonna show y'all when I get into the shop. A little bit of anticipation. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys when I'm in the shop. We're gonna show you guys this, and we've also got a thing of cool kit right there because I'm going to be giving some to the other barbers because they're buying some off me. So yeah. So yeah, we got this right here, and see you guys when we're in the shop. I'm going to show you right now because that's kind of messed up. But we got the Gamma XC. Shout out Chino, bro. He's actually the person that put me on with this clipper. And I was like, fuck, I got a cop, must cop. And it comes with the Echo Blade. It does come with the Echo Blade, thank God. So yeah, this is the clipper that nobody talks about, that people need to start talking about. People need to put some respect on this clipper. I'm gonna show you guys why later in the video when I show some haircuts with it. This clipper is the most underrated clipper. Nobody talks about this. Like the most slept on clipper in the whole barber industry. And yeah, I'm just here to give it its flowers. So yeah, we're gonna be cooking with these later up. Got a couple cuts for y'all, and yeah, we're gonna lock in. So see you guys when we're in the shop. All right, y'all, so these are the Gamma XC clippers, as you can see right here. You know, this clipper is one of the few clippers that you're actually able to customize, make your own type of clipper out of. It comes with 3 different colors: green, pink, no, 4 different colors: green, pink, orange, and black. And you're able to match it to whichever way you want. As you can see right here, we're opening it. You see the green, orange, and pink part right there. The black one's already on the clipper. It comes with these neon green guards, which I really like in my opinion. It would be cool if it had mismatched guards, but it doesn't. There's no problem with that. And you see the customizable X right there. You know, comes with the guards. You got the black X, the green X, the pink X, and the orange X. Whole bunch of X's. This is not I'm not even gonna say that on YouTube, but anyways, this is a great customizable clipper, you know what I'm saying? Mismatch it depending on how you're feeling, you know what I'm saying? One day you could switch it up to this, but the only thing I have to say with it, oh yeah, and here's the extra lever too. They didn't have different color levers. It'd be cool if they had a pink one, but they didn't. These are the bottom pieces for it. And yeah, as you can see, this clipper comes with the Echo Blade. And I'm just going to show you the options, how you can customize it. You just have to unscrew all the screws that are on the front part. I was a little bit nervous doing this. You will see the inside of the clipper, the entire inside of the clipper. At first, I thought I was doing something completely wrong. But you see the screws on the back of the X. That's where you put the, the other X part. There's other screws on the lower parts if you want to interchange those parts as well too. And yeah, basically you gotta act like a surgeon with this. Gotta be real surgical with this. It does come with extra screws just in case you lose some, because these screws are really small. So yeah, they came in clutch, giving us extra screws just in case we lose them. So we're screwing all back up, and I just went to go with all black, black it all out. I am going to change them in the future, but just to start it out, let's start with some, nice and simple, all black, all black clipper, black accents, black everything. So yeah, it also just adds to the aesthetic of my other clippers. All my clippers are black that are on the that are set up. Also comes with the long cord, so if you have like a long place to where the outlet is, it's the cord is like I want to say like 4 to 6 feet long. But yeah, that's it right there. And yeah, here's the haircuts. Public debate, cause we gon' shoot it up. I don't know the issue. Go to text, but I ain't seen it. I told you I miss you. I hate when you cry. Wish I could turn into tissue. I don't even do that cause you shit. I love it when I kiss you. Public debate, cause we gon' shoot it up. I don't know the issue. Go to text, but I ain't seen it. I told you I miss you. I hate when you cry. Wish I could turn into tissue. I don't even do that cause you shit. I love it when I kiss you. Alright, y'all, as y'all can see, those were the, you know what I'm saying, the cuts for the clipper that we got today. And the clipper, phenomenal clipper. I say it's a 9 out of 10 clipper. The only reason why I say it's 9 out of 10 clipper is because the battery doesn't stay on for as long as I would like it to, and the blade gets a little bit hot. But everything else checks across the board. It's light, fades smooth, easy going, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, this is the most slept on clipper in 2026. I feel like, me personally. More people should be having this clipper in this repertoire, and I'm going to be the one to voice it out to everyone that if you're looking for a new clipper and you don't know what to get the Gamma XC clipper. It's customizable. Like, it's literally all you can have a clipper. What clipper do you know? That's what I like about Stylecraft. Stylecraft has a lot of customization, you know what I'm saying, uniqueness for the clippers, not just a base model. So yeah, you get to customize it in three different colors, you know what I'm saying, mismatch, do anything you want. Fades are great, nice and light. It's like a, if I were to compare it to a clipper, I'd say it's like a customizable 360 GZ clipper on steroids. That's exactly how I'll compare this clipper. The only thing about 360 GZ is it has a longer battery life. But yeah, that's what I love about these clippers, man. These are gonna be my new go-to clippers for 2026, for the rest of 2026. So if you are new, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna have videos weekly, maybe 2 a week, 3 a week, who knows. And yeah, it's your boy E2 Blurry. We are out of here. See you guys next one. Peace.